What's going on, everybody? I'm not sure if my mic is coming in here. It looks like it is. Let me just get set up here. We're gonna be doing streams a little bit differently this week because just got back from the hospital last night, and my fiance might need some help. So, moving around well, not really moving around, but if she needs help, gotta be on command. Tapped in. All right, let me just turn off the sound. All right, let me get some little musics going in the background. A little bit of musics. Let's see, Rainmaker OS. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Start out with this song, dude. Let me get everything loaded back in here. In this, let me make sure it's sending out of my Discord. We'll boot up VS Code while we're working on it. No seltzer for you, madam. Daughter wants some seltzer. It is good. Boot up Handy. Let's see. Launch the server locally. This came through announcements. Yes, it did. Dope, dope. Streams have been a little bit slower ever since I freaking took a break, man. I don't know. Don't take breaks, guys. If you're gonna stream, don't do it. Yeah, it looks like there was a 3-day gap in between my 17th and my 18th video. There's a couple 2 or 3-day gaps in there. We're reasonably consistent, but we've been stuck on the same project, dude, because I accidentally messed some stuff up with the project, and so it freaking slowed us down big time, man. We still haven't put out shorts on the channel. I'm waiting to get this thing done, and then we can make a day where we're like really focused on shorts again. We can build out the shorts program that I've been working on, ClipForge, or at least that's what it's named right now. But Probably even rename that too. And not crazy about that name right now. Maybe it'll grow on me. I don't know. I've also been watching a lot of music on another account, so I wonder if that's stopping freaking stopping growth at all or anything. Oh, here we go, here we go. You know what? I gotta put tags in this video. Forgot. Tags in this shit. Big tags. I get what I do well. Tags. Ooh, put tags on this one. Maybe the solution is don't put tags on the videos. Tags have always been good. Put some tags on here. Make the video. Hop into the video again. Here on the other screen. What's going on here? Isn't it it looks like it's not working properly. Can you fix it? Probably opened it up on my Mac last, and yeah, I did. Because I opened it up yesterday, last night. What's going on here? Switch up. Oh, I forgot to mute the stream. Hold on. Ah, shit, dude. I just clicked on Microsoft, whatever. Microsoft, whatever. Dealer.
Big retailers just banned our lighter, and honestly, we're not surprised, because we didn't build this thing.
good, bro? How are you? You stream on YouTube? Yeah, man. How you doing? First off, right off the rip. I'm doing good, bro. How are you doing? Um, but second off, yeah, I stream on two channels, bro. One's like my video editing channel, and this one's like my new. Excuse me. This one's like my new vibe coding channel. All about the vibe coding, man. I was doing this a little bit on the other channel, but that was like developing video editing projects. So, like, you know, oh, music is louder than me. All right, hang on. Let me know if that fixed that, but maybe I need to also reduce the music a little bit. Let me know if that's any better. I only did like a small tweak, so I might need to do a bigger tweak of it. I also just turned it down on YouTube. I don't know if that works or not. Yeah, it got better, bro. All right, yeah, cool, man. Hopefully that's good. Otherwise, just let me know. And if it's still pretty loud, just let me know, man. I'll fix it. But yeah, what I was saying was, yeah, I run two YouTube channels. One is a bigger tweak would make it even better. All right, bet. Let me do that. For some reason, the chat isn't coming through over here. I only use this like once, so. All right. Turn it down a little bit more. All right, Batman. But I can hear you now. All right, cool. Yeah, so basically, I run two YouTube channels, and one is for video editing, and then this one I made purely for vibe coding. Now, I did do a couple like vibe coding streams on the other one. I think I did like 14 or 16 or 17 days or something. But yeah, that was for like building like video editing products, and that's why I was doing that. And then I also got a fucking dope ass sponsorship. So I kept that going for a little bit longer than I even wanted to on the other channel, honestly. But yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of dragged it out a little bit on the other channel, but now I actually made a video editing product that I need to go back and I need to go back and actually market because I've been focused on this website for a little while now. Ah, that makes sense. Yeah, man. But enough about me, man. How are you doing, bro? How are you doing? How's life, man? What have you been working on? Is it still the same projects? Are you working on something different? How's that stuff going, man? I know you showed me some crazy stuff, bro, over in Discord. And bro, I'm almost at usage at the week. I might pull the trigger on either ChatGPT. Now I'm thinking even Cursor actually because it ranked really well and cheap. Um, I am better now. My bank unblocked me finally. I don't know if I told you it was blocked. Yeah, you did, man. All right, thank freaking God, dude. Um, yeah, same projects. Me too, man. Was stuck 2 weeks on real estate redesign, but still at that point. Yeah, fair, bro. I actually messed something up in my project, so I keep having to work on it. Other projects go slowly but well, thanks. Anthropic made 1.5x usage, so I can move on slowly but forward. Oh, really? Really? Was it? It was only 1.5x usage? I thought it was double, bro. Was it really only 1.5? Yeah, I'm gonna test yeah, plus 50%, so 150%, 1.5. Oh, damn. Yeah, no. That's freaking great news, bro. The I just saw this. Did you see oops. I just saw this and it's making me want to get Composer 2.5, bro. Apparently it's getting really hyped up right now. I mean, they rank themselves, but trending on Twitter and stuff that it's like up there against ChatGPT and ChatGPT 5.5 and Opus 4.7, except for average cost of running it is like 55 cents compared to like $11 with Claude and like $5 for GPT or $4.50. So I'm thinking about it, bro. I'll show you my usage right now on Alama at 70%. So we're gonna need to upgrade to something soon. I think possibly this week. But right now I'm just freaking bug fixing the site, dude, because I broke it so hard the other day. Good stuff. Cheaper tokens is good. Yeah, right. It's really good, bro. I mean, the fact that it's up there too. I was gonna pull the trigger on GPT, um, but I mean, obviously you want things done right, which is why it's really good that it's at the top of the leaderboards. Um, yeah, man. I definitely will. I only got 3 days left till this renews. Um, but I've been straight cruising through usage this week. Do gotta see we can properly add something. I remember to cancel my windsurf sub too, because this I don't want renewing. This just was not very good. Getting rate limited. Oh, let me ask you something actually. When you're using Claude, because I haven't used Claude in a freaking minute now. Um, you don't get rate limited at all, right? I don't remember ever getting rate limited unless they change something. We need to finish our first products and start selling. Yeah, man. This website is gonna be the first cash in my pocket. That'll be nice. That revenue counter, I keep saying will go up. It will go up eventually, man. After I stop breaking shit. um, Rate limits very rare when they have issues, I think, but usually no rate limits, only usage limits. That's what I thought, dude. It's unreal how many times I've been rate limited using that other thing. So maybe this product doesn't have what I'm looking for. Um, Modifiers, modifier name, it's all modifiers. Okay, okay, okay. Um, Damn it. I wish I remembered what I was gonna do here. Because I don't even remember. To me, please. Let's take a look. Maybe I get some rate limit when I have 4 or 5 sessions with 5 or 10 sub agents each. So yes, but if you work on 1 or 2 projects at the same time, it's okay. Oh, so this is like with 4 or 5 sessions? Or 5 or 10. Oh, with 5 or 10 sub agents each. Oh yeah, so that's a lot. Yeah, no. This is like rate limiting me on every freaking prompt, bro. So I won't touch that stuff, bro. I'm not gonna pay for that. No matter what model I use, it just fucking hits me with the rate limit. Smallest of small tasks. Alright, don't mind me trying to figure out what's going on here. It's in a category, da 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 da. Crazy, better, not. Yeah. Yeah, it is, bro. I mean, it's on a trial right now, so I wonder if the trial is the reason why. I have a big feeling that that's a good possibility, but I'm not taking the chance to find out if that's accurate or not.
Good job.
Because the trials definitely turned me off because it's like you get rate limited in every freaking prompt.
Thank you.
But I'm still gonna use the trials usage, you know, if I can.
Okay.
But if it was a good trial, bro, I would have pulled the trigger on it. It would have had me over ChatGPT and Claude because I can use both of them in there. But unfortunately, just don't work. So now GPT or Cursor is gonna get my money, which they got plenty of other customers, so I'm sure they don't give a fuck. Trying to remember, man. What is? Let me create a new item. See if that will jog my memory here. Something that wouldn't be on here. So bike.
Thank you.
With cupcake. $15. I'm gonna cry.
Thank you.
Count quad. Oh man. They delayed GTA 6 until 2028 of January. No way, did they actually? It's actually crazy, bro. That sucks, dude. When did you think it was coming out? When did they like make this news? Oh, I already got something. Wait. I thought I deleted that, bro. Dude, I think you're onto something. so we can get millionaires until then. I think you're right, bro. I'm gonna be dead by 2028. Oh shit, man. Oh shoot. No GTA for us. Freaking lame, man. They're gonna make us do real stuff till then. I'm getting this error when trying to add a product that used to be on this site. Can you check why this is happening? Don't fix it yet, just check why it's happening. Alright, let me make sure that I don't have a product on Square, and that's the reason why this is going through. Bro, we might all be dead by 2028. The robots are taking over, dude. On a real note. We just want to be the ones controlling robots by 2028. And that will be good. My eyes twitching. I don't know if you guys can freaking see that in the chat. Fuck, dude, how's it one too many characters? We gotta go with finger instead of fingers. My dream as a child was to build robots, not it is possible, so why not move in that direction, but need much money. Yeah, 100%, dude. You wanna build stuff, lot of money, now it is possible. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Here's the issue. When syncing products from Square, Lemon looks up existing product.
We soon move locked away in a vault somewhere for safekeeping. Choose all.
Let me sign into my Square account too.
First, they would be presented to her.
I forget though. Wait, am I? I need to ask this something real quick. About this shit.
That's from Mama.
Am I on production right now, or am I on sandbox mode for Square? Find out. Let's find out, because I was messing around with this shit last night. Now it is, and 3D printing gonna get cheaper in the next 5-10 years, I guess. So it's very realistic if you start now. Yeah, 100%, man. My buddy, he's on here a bit. Jimmy, or I don't know what his username is. Jimmy or Tebow. His grandpa, I think, is like remaking the skins of his drones, like when they break and shit with 3D printing. But yeah, bro, as more people start to get into it, I'm sure. Well, actually, wait, as more people start to get into it, it's supply and demand. So maybe not. Alright, I need to switch to production mode. So let me pull this off to the side real quick. Can I make this into a new window? Alright, dope. Is it still connected to the project though? Let me guys down into my Square account real quick. I just logged into the wrong thing. Yeah, Square Developer Portal. That's what I need to go to. Developer Console. Wow. Credentials. Let me boot this up. Which project to let's go fuck something up. I just fuck it, bro. We'll do it anyways. So why not create more issues, right? Do that. This there, guys. Let's see what this does. I'll have to wait for this to update. No way. Make it stay on top. That's pretty cool. Wow, that's awesome. Yeah, but hope there's still room for newcomers. Yeah, man. They're gonna always want new people jumping in. I think there'll always be room for newcomers. Once this is done loading, switch to production mode. Okay, now push changes. Yeah, push changes to GitHub. Okay. Please, please do not break anything. Bro, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I want to be done with this project. What do you want to build specifically with robots, bro? What kind of robots do you want to build? Quick YouTube too, ever occasionally. I'm not streaming. I keep looking. I keep looking. Actually, look at the dashboard for all the cron jobs that I can take a look at. I think I'm gonna pull this up right now, but I just wanted to run it in the background for later.
With the shampoo.
Get some shorts going. Shorts going. Next big project.
Outside.
Humanoid ones, I think, for fun activities or maybe as workers. The idea is new, so gonna decide soon. But as cheaper alternative from Germany, maybe so data privacy as competitive feature. Interesting. Humanoid ones, I think. Okay. Yeah, I've been seeing more and more videos on that stuff, man. It's actually crazy what they're doing. Making beds, dude. Going through like a production line I saw a video of. Backflips as like the little dog ones or whatever, I think. For fun activities or maybe as workers. Yeah, man, I don't know where these ones were out of. I saw one in Boston, so I guess I know that one. Actually, I think there was like I could be totally making this up, but maybe there was a police force of freaking robots or something. I could totally be making that up, though. And I assume that was probably China. In Europe, we do more industrial ones. Okay, okay. I want to make something like you in the U.S. Like you in the U.S. do. So just companions, but in cheaper, made by other robots. Okay, okay. Now let me create this item, man. Saying duplicate key violates unique constraint product slug key. Hang on. Still saying it. Still saying it. Alright.
Bye.
Oh, I do so much typos by other robots. But I want to make... You must be a quick typer, man. But I want to make something like you in the US, so you just do companions but in cheaper, made by other robots. No, I think you said that, man. Oh, you mean by. Oh, okay, got you. Yeah, that's fine, dude. Yeah, I understand. We will see first is to build a software empire, then hardware. $100%, bro. 100%, dude. What does this say for AI benchmarks, dude?
No.
Pretty sure it's not on here.
Good job.
but this test is like totally inaccurate. It's like it some days that's like throwing up like old ass models and saying that they're at the top of the freaking list, bro. That shit's so broken, dude. I haven't gotten around to fixing that yet. Might be pretty accurate today though. I mean, I guess it's got like the top three. So, let's see. Oh shit, we did it. It worked. Back to business. Alright, where to put this though? What the fuck, bro? I don't see it anywhere. No. This was working before, bro, so must have broke something again, dude. No, bro. So bad, dude. Let me look at my that, or actually I did set this up for production, and before it was on test, like the sandbox mode. So that's also a possibility that it was only this was not set up for production, but I only changed the API keys, so I don't think that's like I feel like it would have known. Let me see if it's on Square. Real benchmarks are expensive because you need to spend tokens for all models you compare for each version or update. If you are solo, it's not possible for me now. Yeah, I think this benchmark was just taking shit from the internet, low-key. Like data from gathering data from the internet. It's not actually benchmarking things. I think it's just taking data based off other people's benchmarks. I believe that's what I set it up to do. I could totally be lying to you right now. I delete multiple items on here in one? Oh yeah, it was probably under actions. Delete these items. I do. Now let me try creating a new one.
Let's do a puzzle.
See if it works with just some bullshit information.
So,
Oh, maybe I need like a variant in order to no, I don't. Bet. Appreciate you jumping in here, bro. Appreciate you, my man. We'll see you soon, man. And you're gonna leave it open in the background? Clutch, brother. Appreciate it, man. It's not adding products. Okay, so when I actually create new products, it's not actually appearing on the admin products page. Let me see if it created in there.
did you pack everything?
Come on, baby. Come on. Tell me that it's appearing in square. Tell me. Alright, it's in square. It's in square, dude. So we know the problem is with our site now. We click on the admin page, dude.
For the hospital leaving, like waiting and surgery.
Okay, so when I actually create new products, it's not actually appearing on the admin's product page. Here, square.
Yeah.
Couple. It was working last night. Let me just create it. Time. Now it's not appearing on the admin page, products page. Alright, what else? What else?
Wave.
Let's throw that in there. Let's see what that does.
For the last five seconds.
Let's see. The I see the full problem. What's the guesses, guys? What's the guesses, chat? Is he gonna solve it? Is he gonna further recreate the error even more? Going down into a deeper hole? Or are we gonna out in the hole?
Grab that underneath your crib. What is that? Grab the crib.
Wish Windows computers were well integrated with Mac sometimes, man.
Where do you want to take a nap?
That'd be so nice. I could use my Mac. I could do my Mac notes and use my Windows PC. That'd be nice, man. I wonder if there's a way to do that. Well, So I can do it in web browser. Only thing though, I don't know how to. I don't know my information to sign into my account. Apple is one of the accounts that I always get tripped up on. But I always forget to keep track of the username and password, and then they have me change it at some point, and then I can't go back. I can't go back, man. Sign in with your Apple account. Sign in with iPhone. Okay, that's legit. Let me see. Hold on. Scan QR code. Let's see if we're in. Oh shoot. We made it. It's actually pretty sweet. I'll go ahead and bookmark this. Change up that cam view real quick. Change up the cam view, but I gotta move my let me bookmark that shit, dude. That's actually gonna be really helpful. Because that was one of the biggest issues, you know, annoyances, having to email myself notes. Just annoying, bro. Waste time doing that now that I know that I can literally just directly access it. Good. You were wildin', girlfriend. Wildin' out. You just wanted to friggin' use it as a trampoline.
Yeah, that's what
Your fingers aren't broken. If your finger isn't broken, smash the like button. And if you're not subscribed, smash the subscribe button too. And do it by clicking that free cookie down in the bottom right of the video. What the fuck, dude? Why did my YouTube analytics just take me to the website, bro? That's weird as hell, man. Oh, it's such an uncomfortable angle at the screen. My screen is facing right now. I gotta change that a little bit. Get rich in the AI revolution. Alex Ramosi. Save to watch later. You guys are here in the chat. Feel free to pop your head in the chat. Don't be a stranger. Talking with you guys. Part of the vibes, man. But if you just stay chilling, just stay chilling, man. That's cool too. Let's see here. Taking a minute. Taking a hot minute. I have a good feeling that this could really do a good job with breaking stuff. But we will find out very shortly. If I ever get past this project, it will probably go down in history. Best project or longest project of all time. What are you doing, lady? What are you doing, lady? I'm literally looking at when I started working on this website. Day one, man. We might have been working on this day one. Please, man, please. You fucking Let me see. I haven't checked in a minute. Let's see if Patrick's streaming yet. Damn, bro. Open it up. Patrick's still not streaming. Let me see if you already streamed today and I just am stupid and missed it. He didn't stream. We didn't take it. Jerk, out there, you're watching this, man. I keep checking up on you, brother. You know, we're waiting, making sure you're okay, making sure you're alive. Hopefully get to see your stream soon. I haven't been able to tune into one of your streams yet, so I'm pretty pumped up, man. I'm pretty pumped. What is this? GPT 3.5 flash comparison. Speed is there. Speed is there. But total ass model. Total freaking garbage. Alright. It finished. Oh my gosh. Crazy. Absolutely ridiculous. What section is it in? Yeah. Give us a refresh. Now it's just not appearing on the order online page. That is ASS, bro. Now it's appearing on the admin page, but it's not appearing on the order online page. Let me just verify something. Let me go ahead. Let me check here, make sure it didn't make a duplicate or something. It's finicky, man. Delete. Delete. Time to see if this dashboard will update. Okay, so dashboard updates. It says it created it. Make sure that that wasn't the reason why it's not being displayed. Yeah, okay, that was the reason why it wasn't being displayed. Let me add a modifier to it, make sure that it works. Let me see if I can change the category too. Saving, saving, save. Alright, change there. Should be good. Let me add a modifier group. Blah, 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 blah. Let me add another one. It's required. Okay. Save modifiers. Saved. Let me see if it got hit with modifiers on Square. Locked in, bro. Locked in. No. That's the problem. That's the problem right there. So now we had a working feature beforehand, and now it's totally not working. Let me see if there's a save all. Yeah. Save all. Let me see if that updates. Let me X this out. Okay, so that's great. Now the problem is when I edit an item and add modifiers, it doesn't actually add those modifiers on Square and update the product's modifiers on Square and link it to that product. It was working last night or earlier this morning, whatever way you want to look at it. It was in the AMs, I believe, when I did that, but it is no longer working. So please fix this so that way when I edit modifiers, it will edit a product and add modifiers. It will add that onto Square on the correct product. It also would create a name. Nah, I'll just let it do its thing because I don't really know how to describe that right now. And it should be fine. As long as it does it right. Medically, it should be fine. Added item, add modifiers of this thing, modifiers of the square, update the product's modifiers on the square and link it to that product. It was working last night or this morning, whatever you want to look at. It was AMs, I believe I did that, but no longer working. So please fix this. So that way I add modifiers. It will edit a product and add modifiers. So we'll add that on square to the correct product. All right, that's a little bit rambly, but that should hypothetically work. Oh shit. Coin 3.7? No way. I didn't even hear about Coin 3.7, bro. Wait a second. Why is Coin 3.7 ranking below Coin 3.6 on UI, bro? Kinda whack, dude. B-Wall followed me? My man, dude. My man, B-Wall. Alright, let me see. Does Olama support Quen 3.7 now? Let me see. Newest. Well, then where's Quen 3.7? Is that available on OpenRouter? Quen 3.7. I want to try and be able to find this in like a plan or something rather than just didn't even hear about this, bro. Dude, is that Quan right there? Wait a second. Oh shit, dude. Just ripping them to shreds or something? Know what I'm saying? Who's Quinn Studio? No vision capabilities. Bro, come on, man. Not even a model, bro. No, that's not true. GLM doesn't have vision either. I'm just fucking bashing Glenn right now. Not even spelling it right, dude. Quen 3.7. Yeah, but where the fuck is the buy button, dude? Ain't legit, is it? I'm looking for like let's see how much this costs. It's so hard to just like tell me how much it is. It's pretty cool. I'll just wait till something talks about launching Quen 3.7, and then we'll look into that as well. Let me compare input cost of this versus GLM 5.1. It's a lot more. It's like 3x. And honestly, GLM 5.1 is pretty fucking kick-ass, dude. This does get a million contacts, but that's kind of irrelevant at this point, honestly. Let's see if this worked. Is it no longer appearing in here anymore? Digital blank, product not should not be found on Square. My favorite song hasn't come out. Dude. me see if I see you on here. Yeah. Beep beep beep. Let's make one required. Let's make this one $6. Make this one $4. Save our modifiers. See that updated. Alright, seems to update the price, which is good. Let me see if it updated Square. I see it here on Square. Let me see if it updated the modifiers on here though. Okay, it did. It did, man. It updated the modifiers. Alright, cool. And categories wise, is there a category section on here? I'm not sure. Okay, so it didn't add to a category. Let me, you know what? Let me push changes to GitHub first before I fuck with anything, because that works well. Push all the changes to GitHub. Okay, after that's done, okay, so everything works great, and it pushes almost everything over to Square. The one thing I noticed that it doesn't push to Square is it doesn't add the category for the item on Square. It does it for the site and the admin page, products page on the site, but it doesn't do that on Square. Alright, push changes to GitHub. We are good to go. Smooth sailing, ladies and gentlemen. Ready to rock and roll. Here we go. Now I know the mistakes to not make when messing around with any other payment processors.
Look how cool. Look how that's like that. And watch. Put the glasses on.
Let's see. We still got 30% weekly usage left. Oh, let me check. Let me see if Patrick's up yet. If he's live. Oh, not live. Just plus open quad plus quad is insane. Want to show some other streamers some love in a little bit, so probably stay on here for another 20 minutes or so. And then pop off. See if we can pop into some streams before they end. I'll just do that while I work in the background. And then hopefully tomorrow, you know, we're 10 feet forward and not 30 feet back. What dude, is this I'm looking at Bridge Mine. It's like it's actually let's see. Any of y'all with a birthday out there right now, I hope you're having a happy birthday. That's all I gotta say. I don't know if you could hear that in the background. But I hope you're having a happy day. Real question is, are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Oh, I'm just playing. Alright, you vote it. Alright, let's see here. Let's see if this actually updated the Square dashboard. I'm not sure what category I put that item in. I didn't even check. But let's look. No, did not put that in the category. Could be in the cupcakes category. Make sure it still adds the modifier. All right, here we go. Here we go. Saved here. Let's see if it's saved here. Okay, so it still didn't add the product into a category on Square. It still does it for the website, so nothing broke from the looks of it, but it doesn't add it to the category on Square like it should. All right, guys, I think we're going to close out the stream like this today. And, you know, it may not seem like a lot to you guys, but we've actually gotten a lot accomplished here. Like, the major problems that I've been having, we're basically through it, and this website should be done, assuming that I don't hit some catastrophic failure again and just totally obliterate everything. Now, with that being said, I want to go show some love to some different streamers, so I'm going to pop off here. I'll be back soon, and you know where to find me. If you want to talk down in the Discord, join the Discord. There's a lot of like-minded people in there. A lot of people that are really looking to vibe good. We got the best of the best in the community all in one in there, and we're tapped into a bunch of different other communities as well. So feel free to join the Discord down below, and I'll see you guys there. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.